Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Vibe. I'm Tom.
And I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining us today.
Today, we are talking about something fun, hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are the things we do for fun in our free time.
That's right. Everyone has a hobby or something they enjoy doing. So, Lisa, what's your hobby?
Well, I have a few hobbies, but my favorite one is painting.
Oh, nice. What kind of painting do you do?
I like to paint with watercolors. I usually paint flowers, nature, and sometimes people.
That sounds beautiful. How long have you been painting?
I started painting when I was a teenager, maybe around 14 years old. But now I do it more often, usually on weekends.
That's great. So, why do you like painting?
I think painting helps me relax. It's very peaceful. When I paint, I forget about stress or work.
Yes, hobbies are great for that. I feel the same when I do my hobby.
What's your hobby, Tom?
I love playing the guitar. Music is my passion.
Wow, that's cool. Do you play in a band?
Not now, but I used to play in a small band with my friends. These days, I just play at home or sometimes at small events.
Nice. Do you sing too?
A little, but mostly I just play. I enjoy learning new songs and practicing every day.
How long have you been playing the guitar?
For about 5 years now, I started with online videos and then took lessons.
That's a great way to learn. So, what kind of music do you play?
Mostly acoustic songs, soft rock, pop, and some old classics.
Do you write your own music too?
Sometimes. I'm not a professional, but it's fun to try.
That's amazing. Music is a beautiful hobby.
Thank you. And painting is also very creative. Do you ever take painting classes?
Yes, I joined a painting class last year. It was really helpful. I also watch videos online to learn new techniques.
Great idea. So, do you keep your paintings?
Yes, I keep most of them. Some I hang on my wall, and some I give to friends and family.
That's really nice. Handmade gifts are special.
Exactly. And when people like my painting, it makes me happy. So, how often do you paint?
I try to paint at least once or twice a week. It depends on how busy I am.
Yes, same for me with guitar. Sometimes I'm busy, but I always try to make time for it.
That's important. Having a hobby is good for our mental health.
Totally agree. It gives us something to enjoy outside of work or school.
Also, hobbies can help us meet new people. I met some friends in my art class.
Yes, I met some great friends through music too.
So, to our listeners, what is your hobby?
Do you like painting, music, sports, reading, or maybe cooking?
Whatever it is, a hobby is something that brings joy.
And if you don't have a hobby yet, try something new.
That's right. You never know. You might find something you love.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And we hope it helped you learn some new words and phrases.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Okay, dear friends, let's continue our studies through the power of the shadowing technique. What makes this method special? The shadowing technique is one of the fastest and most effective ways to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills. It works by listening and repeating, just like how children learn their first language, by mimicking sounds and speech patterns. Here's how it works. First, we'll listen to a short phrase. I'll say each phrase slowly and clearly. After each one, you will hear a short pause. Use that time to repeat the phrase out loud. After that, I'll explain the meaning and use of each phrase so you know exactly how and when to use it in real life. By repeating out loud and understanding each phrase deeply, you'll build your speaking confidence step by step. So, we will now have almost 20 phrases to repeat. Ready to start? Let's dive in and shadow your way so fluent English.
Hobbies are the things we do for fun in our free time.
Hobbies are the things we do for fun in our free time.
This is a definition that explains what hobbies are. Hobbies, it's activities you enjoy doing, like painting, reading, playing music, gardening. For fun means for enjoyment, not for work or money. In our free time, during the time when we are not working, studying, or doing chores.
I have a few hobbies.
I have a few hobbies.
Use this to say you enjoy more than one activity. A few means 2 to 3, maybe more.
My favorite one is painting.
My favorite one is painting.
This sentence tells us which hobby or activity the speaker likes the most. Use this to highlight your top choice. Favorite means the thing they like the most out of all the options.
I started when I was a teenager.
I started when I was a teenager.
This phrase is great for telling your personal story. Teenager means 13 to 19 years old.
It helps me relax.
It helps me relax.
Use this phrase to explain why you like your hobby. Relax, it's feel calm and peaceful.
Music is my passion.
Music is my passion.
Loves music very much. It's not just a hobby, it's something they feel deeply connected to. Passion means something you love deeply, feel strongly about, and care about emotionally. It gives you joy and meaning.
I play the guitar at home.
I play the guitar at home.
This is a simple sentence where the speaker talks about what they do, play the guitar, and where they do it, at home.
I enjoy learning new songs.
I enjoy learning new songs. This sentence means the speaker likes the activity of learning songs they haven't played or heard before. Enjoy means to like doing something. It's stronger than just like and shows that the activity is fun or pleasant. Learning means the action of gaining knowledge or skill. In this case, about songs.
I joined a painting class last year.
I joined a painting class last year.
This sentence means the speaker became part of a painting class in the previous year. Joined, past tense of join, which means to become a member of a group or activity. It depends on how busy I am.
It depends on how busy I am.
This sentence means that the situation or answer can change depending on how much free time or work the speaker has. A great way to show your schedule changes. Depend means be controlled or determined by.
Having a hobby is good for mental health.
Having a hobby is good for mental health.
Mental health, it is your emotional and psychological well-being. Doing a hobby helps you feel happier, calmer, and less stressed. Having a hobby means doing something fun or relaxing regularly, like painting, gardening, or playing music.
It gives us something to enjoy.
It gives us something to enjoy.
This is a nice, general phrase to talk about free time. This is a useful and easy phrase that you can use when talking about what you do when you're not working or studying.
Hobbies can help us meet new people.
Hobbies can help us meet new people.
Use this to explain a social benefit of hobbies. Meet, it's come into the presence or company of by chance or arrangement.
In my free time, I love getting creative.
In my free time, I love getting creative.
This is a great way to say you enjoy art, music, or DIY hobbies. Getting creative means tapping into your imagination to generate new or innovative ideas.
Hobbies help me disconnect from stress.
Hobbies help me disconnect from stress. Use this to say that your hobby helps you relax and feel calm. Disconnect from stress means intentionally stepping away mentally, emotionally from the things that are overwhelming you.
I could spend hours doing this and never get bored.
I could spend hours doing this and never get bored.
A strong way to show how much you enjoy your hobby.
Enjoy an activity so much that you can do it for a long time without feeling tired or uninterested. Spend hours means to use or pass a long time doing something. Never get bored means the speaker does not feel tired or uninterested no matter how long they do it.
It started as a hobby, but now it's a big part of my life.
It started as a hobby, but now it's a big part of my life.
Use this if your hobby has become more serious or important over time.
It's not just fun, it helps me feel more like myself.
It's not just fun, it helps me feel more like myself.
This is a meaningful phrase showing that your hobby supports your identity and well-being.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's shadowing practice helped you improve your English. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how shadowing is working for you. See you in the next video.